beautiful person watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer spicy French fries. These are definitely addictive and better than anything you can get from a restaurant. Let's jump right in. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy air fryer recipes every week. Thank you so much, and let's jump right in. So we are going to start first by peeling our potatoes. I have here some russet potatoes. I also have my potato peeler. I'm just going to start. You can use any potatoes that you prefer. You can use Congo, you can use white, yellow potatoes. That's totally up to you. And I also have over there a bowl of water. I'm just going to peel them and I'll put them in there before we proceed to just cut them up into the French fries shape. This. Our potatoes have been peeled. I'm going to proceed next to just cut them up into the French fry shapes. So you want to, I'm using my knife, but if you have a potato slicer or any sort of that mandolin, feel free to use it. Just make sure that you slice your fries to be, just make sure that they're in the same shape because you want them to cook evenly, okay? I'll just show you how these ones look like. This is how they're looking. So we are all done cutting them up into the French fry shape. I'm just going to leave them in this water for about 10 more minutes so that it can release more starch, and then I'll show you the next step. Our potatoes have been sitting for 10 minutes. They have released some more starch. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer them in my colander. Right here. I'm also just going to run some cold water on there to just rinse them out properly. They have been properly rinsed. Next, I'm just going to transfer my potatoes in this pot of water that I have right here. Just make sure you do the water just enough to cover your potatoes. I'll just turn on the heat and I'll let this boil. Once they boil, we are going to add the salt in. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm just going to go in with my salt right now, okay? I'm using some seasoning salt. Make sure you do your salt to taste always. I'm just using seasoning salt. If you don't have it, that's totally fine. You can use any salt. And I'll just let this cook for another 5 more minutes and then I will show you the next step. As you can see the water has changed to pink. That's because of the salt. It's seasoning salt. Next step. So our fries have been cooking for a total of 10 minutes. I'm just going to transfer them in my colander one more time. I'll let them cool in here and also for all the water to strain out, and then we'll move to the next step. I'm just going to show you how one of them looks like. This is how one of the fry looks like. I'll try to break it so you can see exactly. So it's not too overcooked, but it is, I mean, like 3/4 way through cooked. Okay, I want to make sure that they don't break. So while our fries are cooling off over here in the bowl, I just transfer them. We are going to prep our seasoning. So I have right here some cayenne pepper. That's the first ingredient. And when it comes to cayenne pepper, you want to make sure that you do to your desired taste. So make sure, because it's spicy, you want to do the one that you can tolerate, okay? I have some smoked paprika. I love the smoked paprika. I have some garlic powder right here. And please make sure to check the description box for a list of ingredients and all the measurements as well. I'm going to do some onion powder right here. And finally, I have some paprika as well. I'm just going to do some fresh cracked black pepper in the mixture as well. And I'll just go ahead and mix everything up to combine. When you mix everything up to combine, before pouring it on our fries, it's easy for them to mix properly rather than putting them individually on the fry. So this is our seasoning right here. Next, I'll bring our fries. And I'm just going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil. Again, this is going to help crisp up your fries. And it's also going to help the seasoning to adhere to your fries as well, okay? You can use any oil. You can use avocado oil or any cooking oil of your choice. That's totally up to you. I'm just going to go in and just spread the seasoning on there. I'll just mix this up all to combine. This is how they're looking right now. Transfer it in an air fryer basket. I have my air fryer basket right here. I'm not going to spray it with any oil because the fry has some oil in there already. Make sure that you don't overcrowd your basket. It's very important if you want to have crispy fries. Don't overcrowd your basket as well, okay? So they're looking in the basket. I'm just going to put it in here. I'm going to start with 380 for 20 minutes, and we are going to check every 5 minutes to make sure that our fries are doing well. Very important that you check every 5 minutes. So our fries have been cooking for 10 minutes. Oops. This is how they're looking. You do need to check them every 5 minutes again and move them around to make sure that they don't burn. I did check after 5 minutes just because I hear a lot of people say that their fries are either burning or they don't cook evenly. Make sure that you just go in and just move them around gently. And again, if you have to pre-cook your fries, make sure you're very careful how you're moving them around, okay? I'm just going to gently move this around and then we'll toss it back into the air fryer. We'll see how they're looking then for the next step. So I've moved them around. I'm just going to toss them and I'll let them cook for the 10 minutes that are remaining, and I'll show you how it looks like. Make sure that if there is need to check after 5 minutes, okay? So this I've been cooking for the extra 5 minutes. I am going to move them around again and you can see how they're looking. I'll just move them around and we'll put them back for another 5 minutes just because I want them to crisp up really nicely. And at this point, really depending on how you want your fries to crisp up, you can put them back in the air fryer or you can just serve them as is. Like this, I'll put them back in for another 5 more minutes and hopefully they should be done by then. Let's check. Listen to that. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. And thank you to everyone that has subscribed. Make sure to turn on your notification bell and also watch my other air fryer videos. I will come your way next time with something healthy, delicious. Please be well. Thank you. Bye.